This is Ritesh Mathur from Department of Mechanical Engineering, ACEIT. In this lecture, we will discuss the effect of gyroscopic couple on the ship. Okay, so uh, you will have to remember some terms. Suppose this one is a ship. So what is bow? Bow is your front end, and stern or AFT is your rear end. Starboard is the right hand side when looking from the stern, and port is the left hand side when looking from the stern. Okay. Now, steering is turning on the side when viewing from the top. Pitching is limited angular motion of the ship about the transverse axis, and rolling is limited angular motion of the ship about the longitudinal axis. Okay, so let the plane of spin of the rotor and other rotating masses be horizontal and across the breadth of the ship. Assume omega to be angular velocity in clockwise when viewed from the steer side. Okay, so first one is the effect of gyroscopic couple during steering. Okay, in this, what will happen when the ship turns left? Suppose it turns the left, so the angular velocity vector will be OA to OB, means the active couple will be A to B, as we have shown by the right hand rule. Now the reactive couple will be B dash to A dash. Okay, it means the what it tries, it tends to raise the bow and lower the stern. Okay, but if we turn right hand side, then what will happen? The reaction couple will be D dash to C dash. As you can see from the reactive right hand rule, that the rear portion will be upward and upward will be your downward. Means we can say the bow is lowered and the stern is upward. Okay, now what will happen during pitching? Okay, this is when it is pitching. So when the bow is rising, this bow is rising, then what will happen? The reactive couple will be from B dash to A dash. So if you see the right hand rule of your reactive couple, then what will happen? If you see from the top, the ship would move towards right, or we can say starboard side. But when the bow is lowered, then what will happen? The ship, as you can see from the reactive turn, that the ship turns towards left, or I can say port side. Now what will happen when the its effect of rolling? So you can see that the axis of rolling of the ship and the rotor are parallel, so there is no precession of the axis of spin, hence there is no gyroscopic effect. So let us take one example, that the turbine rotor of a ship has a mass of 2.2 tons and rotates at 1800 rpm clockwise when viewed from the AFT, that is rear side. The radius of gyration of the rotor is 320 mm. Determine the gyroscopic couple and its effect when the shift turn. So first of all, we will have to calculate the omega. M is given, N is given, R is given, K is given, V is given. So I equals to mk square and omega equals to 2 pi n by 60. So it's done when first one is what is given, that the ship turns right at a radius of 250 meter with a speed of 25 kmph. So it is nu omega p. So we have calculated the gyroscopic couple. What is the effect? To lower the bow and raise the stern. Okay, when the ship turns right. Second one is ship pitches with the bow rising at an angular velocity of 0.8 radian per second. So for this, again we have calculated omega p. Then what is the effect? That the bow is rising and the ship turned towards right. Okay, and third one is ship rolls. So an angular velocity. So this is your omega p. Now we know that there is no effect of gyroscopic effect on this pitching. Okay, so that's all in this. Thank you.